Hey guys, this creation was pretty simple to make. I started off by staining 5 wooden circles, 4 of which were the same size, and 1 a lot smaller. These larger wooden circles are approximately 12 inches in diameter, and I got these on Amazon, but you can get something similar from Dollar Tree. So the most time-consuming part was probably staining these little blocks. I must have stained over 100 of them. And this is where it got a little bit tricky, because I had to cut pieces accordingly to make them all fit. Here I'm just double checking to make sure everything was going to fit before gluing it all down. I'll be doing a sort of brick pattern using 3 rows of blocks. There I'm showing 2 rows, but eventually it will be 3 for all 3 tiers. Here I'm just reinforcing the bottom tray by putting a few blocks in the center before adding that other circle on top. I don't think this part is necessary. I don't even know why I did it, but there won't be anything that heavy that it needs to be reinforced like that. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. There are some parts missing because sometimes I forget to capture everything, but I hope you'll figure it out just from looking at it. Now for the top tray, I used an 8-inch wooden circle that I purchased at Dollarama. It was pretty thick too. Thicker than I would have preferred, but I still used it. And now for the center poles. These blocks are jumbo blocks I got at Walmart a long time ago, and they've always come in handy for a lot of my projects. I kept one the same size, and the other one I cut about 2 inches off. Then I stained them, and that was it. Then it was time to put everything together.